Submitting your group assignment must be issued punctually by one of your group members. Successful applicants will work with a large team of researchers. Supply and demand is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. Sydney is Australia's largest city, chief port, and cultural centre. Teaching assistants will receive a monthly remuneration for housing. Technologies on biotechnology is of crucial importance in the project developing. Textile manufacturing plays a large role in improving economies. That brief outline takes us to the beginning of the 20th century. That means we have so many struggles in the lab.
The exposure of advertising to children is open to much debate.
Children acquire their first language without any conscious effort.
The aim is to reduce the risks that people take.
Protective clothing must always be worn in the laboratory.
The application process may take longer than it's expected. The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in previously overlooked foundations.
The article extrapolates a number of very interesting experiments.
The artists tied with politicians earned row of critics. The assessment of this course will begin next week. The author is currently the professor at the Cambridge University.
The author's early works were less philosophical and more experimental.
The book was supported by many faculty members. The business development seminar includes an internship with a local firm. The business policy seminar includes an internship with a local firm. The campus tour will help you to get familiar with the teaching facilities.